Hey there, jungle geniuses. Ever wonder why that one smart monkey in your troop always hides bananas under a rock? Well, today we're talking about emergency funds. But don't worry, we'll explain it all using bananas. So grab a snack, maybe not your savings, and let's swing into it. What is an emergency fund? Imagine you're a monkey. You swing through the trees, pick bananas daily, and everything's going great. But one day, bam, you fall, sprain your tail, and can't swing for weeks. Now, you've got no bananas and no backup. That's where your emergency fund comes in. It's your stash of saved bananas. Enough to feed you when life throws a coconut at your face. It's not just a luxury. It's a survival kit for the unexpected. Why you need one? Whether you're a monkey or a human, life is unpredictable. Jobs get lost. Tires go flat, phones fall in the toilet, or worse, like our monkey friend, your favorite banana tree suddenly stops producing. If you don't have an emergency fund, you might have to borrow bananas from loan sharks. And trust me, they want more than just fruit in return. But when you have an emergency fund, you stay calm, collected, and banana rich, no matter what chaos swings your way. How much to save? So now you're thinking, how many bananas should I stash? Rule of thumb, save 3 to 6 months worth of your banana needs. If you eat 30 bananas a month, aim for 90 to 180 bananas in your emergency stockpile. Too much? Start small. Even 10 saved bananas is better than 0, because the goal isn't perfection, it's protection. Where to keep your bananas. Now, don't go burying your emergency bananas under random leaves or mattresses. You need a place that's safe, easy to access, and not too tempting to snack from in the real world. That means keeping your emergency fund in a separate savings account, not in risky investments, and definitely not under your bed, unless you're into monkey business. Remember, it's for emergencies, not for last-minute pizza cravings. When to use it. Emergency funds aren't for new iPhones, banana smoothies, or jungle vacations. They're for real emergencies. Job loss, medical bills, unexpected repairs, or literal or jungle floods. When in doubt, ask yourself, is this a need or just a want? If it's not urgent, save it for later. Your future self will thank you. So what did we learn? Bananas equal money life unpredictable, and smart monkeys, they save before they swing. Start your emergency fund today, even if it's just one banana at a time, because saving bananas now saves your butt later. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more monkey money wisdom.